Alright, good afternoon everybody. Spenventure's here live from the Florida Railroad Museum here in Parrish, Florida. Just about 15 minutes from my house, and we are boarding. I got my ticket right here for the train robbery. Hopefully I don't get robbed on this train, as it takes us into the Everglades of Florida. And we are boarding now, so we're going to go ahead and see where I go. It says 1 adult and 2 o'clock for the train robbery at the Florida Railroad Museum. I guess we're going to just board here, which is really nice because I guess we're allowed to just use a GM, or we have to board here. Let's see what goes on. But you can see here as we are here. There's the train, and go ahead. Boarding on this way, and then this train this one's not a general train ride. It is a promotional train ride as we ride into the Old West with the train robbery. Like I said, hopefully I don't get robbed. All I got is my phone.
Good luck with that. You look pretty fresh. Think about like that.
All right. Oh, I got my ticket right here.
For 1907, that would be turned
That one. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, so I got stamped and we're ready to roll. So, here now. Until we can move into the other cars, hopefully, really soon. It's just boarding the train, and once there we can go and walk up. And of course we can go take a look around for right now until we start moving. Then of course we do have to sit down while the train is in motion. It's the open air car. Of course we've got closed in. This is actually still up in air, but it's probably more comfortable seating, which I like. So, I'll move on down here. Move on down here. I'm going to take a seat here. Oh, yeah, take a seat right here. Oh, yeah, this is way more comfortable. Way more comfortable. And now we can actually just set you guys down right there. There we go. Perfect. Now we can continue to talk without holding my device, and it's a lot easier to discuss these train excursions. Of course, I've been on a few excursions with the Sugar Express. I went on the Christmas one, the Santa Express up in Lake Placid. I went to the two in Clewiston. Went to the Miami Locks route, which was you get free ice cream, and it was a hot day, of course, so it was perfect weather for ice cream. Like today, it is 95 degrees outside in April, so welcome to Florida weather. And also the where else? I thought I went on a recent one. I just did a recent one. Maybe it was just one in general that I went. It was just general. I think it was. So I've been on 3 excursions with the Sugar Express, because the promotional ones for the Sugar Express are very expensive. It would have cost me, it was over $100 for the Easter one, I think. And they have like a dinner train for, of course it's like for Mother's Day or whatever, but that's coming up. And of course the Miami Locks ice cream train, I believe I'm going to try to do that in May at some point, because the school year is about to wrap up and the summer is getting closer, even though it does feel like summer today with the sunshine and the warmth and the hotness. Very much a uh, Florida summer day. And so go ahead and get off of here and gonna kind of just mosey around for a little bit and take some pictures and everything else before we depart for the 2 o'clock train. And like I said, hopefully we are gonna encounter the Old West, so be on the lookout for that as we venture on out west and experience what a train robbery would be like with cowboys hijacking the train. Really interesting. Let's go. Oh, no, actress. There's the horn. We have to pull out now. Get out of here. Alright. And we're about to move. There we go. Pulling out of the station.
This is how slow it goes. How fast does it go?
Passing by people. There we go. There we go. Alright, and we are moving. As you can see behind me, morning's coming alive. And we have taken off on the rails. On this train to Willow in the Everglades, where we will witness train robbery, gunfights from the Old West. Cannot wait to film the action on the train from the Florida Gulf Coast Railroad. So we're gonna find out where we go and how we end up. Continue on the train. Another fact about the Sugar Express, between the Sugar Express and the Florida Gulf Coast Railroad, is the Sugar Express is a steam engine with it not being as fast as diesel engines are from the Florida Gulf Coast Railroad. Now, that's one of the main differences between similarities. They're both, of course, a part of transportation, and both were used in the 1970s, 80s, I know 80s, yes. And of course, when diesel engines and locomotives became evolved and began to progress more often, then it's more of a people started using diesel passenger trains rather than steam trains, and steam trains sort of eventually and gradually died off due to the fact that we are to and from places. That's the main differences between a steam locomotive and a diesel locomotive and passenger train. Passenger trains evolved more in the 80s, and it became a lot faster and more reliable for people to get to and from work and to and from attractions throughout the United States. And so that's why diesel. Now, the reason I like steam engines more is because of the history. I'm a big history fan. Love American history, and especially with the Industrial Revolution and the creation of the railroads and trains. More interesting. But anyway, let's go and continue on our journey into the Everglades as we rock back and forth into Willow, Florida. And the Native American there, our fine feathered friend with his eagle feather. Very nice out. Partly cloudy skies, but a beautiful day nonetheless for a train ride. Even though this train is rocking to and fro, very rough. Very rough. As long as we stay on the rails, we'll be alright. But let's take a look. That's a 2-barrel shotgun. So the lady I just got done talking to, she was dressed in like 40s attire, 30s or 40s attire. And so she was really nice. She was asking me what I had here. I said, it's a phone, and I can actually record video on my phone. And another sheriff here. And there we go. What's he talking over here? So anyway, Omaha, just in her attire, she was just asking me what I'm holding, and what it was is a phone, and I could record video and take pictures on it. And so, it's like, oh, that's cool. Very fancy. I'm good with it. Always. But that's what she was saying back in present day. See, we're traveling back in time. We're going back in time to the Old West. And dang, now we got we got 4 cowboys. Reenactment in Willow. Really want to do the Civil War one. That one, I want to come back whenever they do the Civil War reenactment. That's the one I want to see, because that looks really cool. Especially when we're back in time, and I did a whole Civil War series videos on my channel, my YouTube channel, and where I went to different parts of different states and different Civil War museums or American history museums to talk about the Civil War. And one thing I would love to see would be a Civil War reenactment of what it was like back in 1862 to 1865 when the Civil War happened. So, between the Union soldiers and the Confederate soldiers. So, hopefully, I want to try to get another schedule for this year for this train, and I'm hoping that I can actually see if it would come to see the Civil War reenactment. It's in October, I think, so we have a few months to wait. That's alright, because I think I can make the trip, but right now, it's all about the Old West and train robbery. Let's see. Kill the engineer. Didn't kill the engineer. I'll drive the train. We're slowing down, so we're about to have our show. Oh, we're here. No wonder. There's the station. We're coming up on Willow Station now. I thought it was about a half an hour away. But we're in Willow, Florida now, and we are about to, yeah. Hopefully we got some.
He sold the property.
Rush.
Oh, I would love it if somebody asked me.
Old railroad ties there, stacked up. Those are old. Those are rotten. Yep, we're in the middle and nowhere. Started out in Parrish. We're in Willow, Florida now. All right.
I suppose so. Okay, marshals, this is where you're getting off the train. What's going on? Get them up, Marshal. What's the meaning of this? We want that gold. Get them hands up. I knew I should never have talked to that fella. I agree.
1849. Because it's gold that they want.
We don't want to shoot you. You don't want to be dead.
Don't mess with these hombres.
That's right. No funny stuff.
Showtime. Should have followed him up there. Old engines up here.
Want to see the show that's happening on this side so you can switch? You guys are in the right place.
Oh, okay. I may need to move. Yeah. Oh, yes. You shoot it open? Hey, got it. Got gold beans. Ah! Wow. Code of the West. What's the Code of the West? He lost his hat. You shot him in the butt. One, two, three. What is he throwing down? What is he doing? Bullseye! Target combination. Oh, why? Oh. Two-barrel shotgun, that got him.
You know, the older one. I've got 3 black cats with white stars and white bellies. Between Sissy, Ruby, and Peas. Yeah. My wife was going to call them Peas, Hannah, Pod.
That was the slowest step ever.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
That was so.
Yeah. Pod's my
Slow.
little sweetheart. He took the board.
And then he just had to lay down. Hey!
Beautiful colors. You can tell the difference by Sassy's got gray fur that flops back and forth. Pop's the lightweight. She's too funny. She's got a solid black stripe down the back. Yeah, they're black and gray.
You gotta really crack the whip.
My niece has a cat that she brings down for the big
That's over there. No, that's way over there. No, they've been, I don't know what song they were playing, but it was like hollering some, I don't know what it was.
She does not like her mom. And she's a little feral cat. And I think she's a feral kitten that they just like gave to my niece. I'm like, oh, whatever.
At first I thought they were carrying a coffin.
But
dropping down a box. I thought they were carrying a coffin. I was like, all right, well, that's the way to start out.
She ends up in where we live.
Just let it
here
lay
in
on the
Florida,
floor,
Maryland.
lay on the ground.
One cat is mean as a snake.
It's like you ask it a question or kick
The
it,
other
see if it's
one,
really dead.
friendly.
Yeah.
If it's not dead, oh,
Doesn't bat an eye when my wife comes in. Friendly, loves on her. Couldn't
Yeah.
be nicer.
the funny part was that I think one of them had actual bullets around his belt.
Yes, some of them do.
Yeah. It's like, wait a minute. Am I supposed to-
We have a.
Put a real bullet in there. Let's see what happens.
She's cocky and she's sick
I'll be like, oh wait, really?
King Charles. She's every day looks like a King Charles.
All right.
She's a beautiful white and black markings. And then the other one's a
Huh?
group
Oh.
Napoleon complex. If you're, oh, and he's in detention. He'll lay next to my wife and he'll be doing this all day. Yes, Mom! Stop it! Leave me alone.
That was cool. That was cool.
Those cats will come up and rub on
Told you they wasn't succeeding.
Yeah, right. Good. Got him. Good job.
Got him.
Where's
Yeah.
Jimmy Pop? Very nice. Behind me.
Very nice.
Don't put anyone in the back of the train.
All right. So the Wild West show was a success. It's very fun. It was interesting. A lot of gunshots, but here in Willow, and now we're on our way back to Parrish. Yeah, about a 30-minute ride over, and we'll be finished for the day on this Spenventure. And thank you all for joining me here. It was fun, and hopefully be back soon, back here, and be ready for another Spenventure very soon. I think the next one is going to be next Sunday, actually, when we head off to Tropicana Field, the home of the Tampa Bay Rays, as they take on the Chicago White Sox. And we'll be at a baseball game next week. So it'll be fun. And so we will see you all then on the next Spenventure. Be sure to subscribe to Spenventures and drop a like on the video. Leave comments down below if you've done any train rides with promotions or just ridden the train in general, or fan of trains. So love to hear back, and we'll see you all on the next Spenventure.